Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the circle of fifths for chord progressions on piano. The circle of fifths is a powerful visual tool that organizes all 12 musical keys. It clearly shows the relationships between major and minor keys. Moving clockwise around the circle adds one sharp to the key signature, while moving counterclockwise adds one flat. Each step represents an interval of a perfect fifth. To build basic chord progressions, first identify your tonic key, often found at the top of the circle. Then, select the three chords immediately adjacent to your tonic. For example, in C major, you would use F major, C major, and G major. These represent the 1, 4, and 5 chords, forming a strong harmonic foundation for countless songs. To expand your harmonic palette, incorporate relative minor chords. The relative minor is found 3 steps clockwise from its major counterpart. For instance, the relative minor of C major is a minor. You can also borrow chords from closely related keys, which are often found nearby on the circle, adding depth and interest to your piano progressions. For practical application, practice moving around the circle in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions. Experiment with different chord inversions to create smoother voice leading and transitions between chords. Always listen carefully to how various chord combinations sound together. Remember, the circle of fifths is a flexible guide, offering endless possibilities for your piano chord progressions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.